Kimbal Musk, a Tesla Inc. board member and the brother of Elon Musk, has recently made headlines after netting more than $17 million by exercising options and selling Tesla shares at prices far higher than what he paid for them. In this article, we'll explore the details of Kimbal Musk's stock sales, the reasons behind them, and what they mean for Tesla and the broader tech industry. Who is Kimbal Musk? Kimbal Musk is the younger brother of Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla Inc. and SpaceX. While Elon Musk is known for his innovative approach to technology and his ambitious vision for space exploration, Kimbal Musk has focused his efforts on food and agriculture. He is the co-founder of The Kitchen, a restaurant group that emphasizes sustainable and locally sourced ingredients, and the co-founder of Big Green, a nonprofit that builds educational gardens in underserved communities. Kimbal Musk joined Tesla's board of directors in 2004, shortly after his brother became CEO. He has been a vocal advocate for sustainable transportation and renewable energy, and he has played a key role in helping Tesla expand its operations and improve its environmental footprint. The details of Kimbal Musk's stock sales. According to a filing with the Securities and Exchange Commission, Kimbal Musk acquired 100,000 shares of Tesla through options for $24.73 apiece on Monday. He then sold those shares for average prices spanning from $192.280 to $202.520. In total, he paid $2.47 million to acquire the shares through options and sold them for $19.57 million, resulting in a net profit of $17.1 million. The reasons behind Kimbal Musk's decision to sell his Tesla shares are not entirely clear. However, it is worth noting that Tesla's stock price has been on a rollercoaster ride in recent months. In early 2021, the stock soared to record highs, driven by strong sales numbers and growing investor interest in electric vehicles and renewable energy. However, the stock has since experienced significant volatility, and some analysts have raised concerns about the company's ability to maintain its growth momentum in the face of increasing competition from established automakers and new market entrants. What this means for Tesla and the broader tech industry. Kimbal Musk's stock sales are unlikely to have a significant impact on Tesla's overall financial performance, given that he remains a relatively small shareholder in the company. However, the transaction does highlight the growing scrutiny that Tesla and other tech companies are facing from investors and regulators. In recent years, there has been increasing concern about the outsized influence that tech companies and their founders wield over the broader economy and society. Some critics argue that these companies have become too powerful and that they need to be reined in to prevent them from engaging in anti-competitive practices or other forms of abuse. Tesla, in particular, has faced criticism for its aggressive marketing tactics, its treatment of workers, and its impact on the environment. While the company has made significant strides in improving its sustainability and reducing its carbon footprint, it still faces challenges in terms of scaling up its operations and meeting the growing demand for electric vehicles. The future of Tesla and the electric vehicle market. One of the biggest questions facing Tesla and the broader tech industry is what the future holds for the electric vehicle market. On the one hand, there is growing demand for EVs as consumers become more environmentally conscious and governments around the world push for the adoption of low-carbon transportation. On the other hand, there are significant challenges facing EV manufacturers, including high production costs, limited battery range, and a lack of charging infrastructure. Despite these challenges, Tesla remains one of the leading players in the EV market. The company has invested heavily in research and development, and it has built a loyal following of customers who appreciate its sleek designs, advanced features, and commitment to sustainability. However, Tesla is also facing increasing competition from established automakers such as General Motors, Volkswagen, and Ford, as well as from new market entrants such as Lucid Motors, Rivian, and Fisker Inc. To maintain its leadership position in the EV market, Tesla will need to continue innovating and expanding its product lineup. The company is already working on several new vehicles, including a semi-truck and a pickup truck, and it has plans to expand its production facilities in the United States and abroad. However, it will also need to address concerns about its supply chain, its labor practices, and its financial stability, which have all come under scrutiny in recent years. The role of Kimbal Musk and other insiders at Tesla. Kimbal Musk's recent stock sales have also raised questions about the role of insiders at Tesla and their influence over the company's operations and decision-making. While insider trading is not necessarily illegal, It can create the perception that insiders are taking advantage of their access to privileged information to profit at the expense of other shareholders. In the case of Kimbal Musk, it is worth noting that he has a long history with Tesla and a vested interest in the company's success. As a board member and a brother of the CEO, he likely has access to information and insights that are not available to the general public. However, it is unclear whether his decision to sell his shares was based on this information or on other factors, such as his own personal financial needs or expectations for the market. Regardless of the motivations behind Kimbal Musk's stock sales, they serve as a reminder of the importance of transparency and accountability in the tech industry. As these companies become increasingly influential and powerful, it is important for them to uphold the highest ethical standards and to be responsive to the concerns and interests of all stakeholders, including shareholders, employees, and the broader community. Conclusion. Kimbal Musk's recent stock sales have generated headlines and raised questions about the future of Tesla and the broader tech industry. While the transactions themselves are relatively small in the grand scheme of things, they underscore the growing scrutiny that these companies and their leaders are facing as they seek to navigate an increasingly complex and competitive business landscape. As the world continues to evolve and new challenges and opportunities arise, it will be up to companies like Tesla to adapt and innovate in order to stay ahead of the curve and drive positive change in the world.